we have a Coca-Cola Collectible. This is a 1956, it says. Now I know it's probably not that old, but as you can see, it is a piggy bank. Coin bank, whatever, die-cast metal bank it says. It's in the original box. Like I said, the truck itself is probably a 56. It was made in 1997, is what it says right there. Excellent shape. Box has a little bit of damage right here where somebody taped it. Other than that, doesn't look too bad. Yellow Coca-Cola truck. It's showing a 1956. Looks like a Ford. It's a bank. An original box. Box has a little bit of damage. Thank you.